Hi, my name is Kristen and I work in human resources for a large global national here in Basel, Switzerland. I wanted to take a moment to share my experience of working with Simone for a home redecoration project that we hired her for. By way of a little bit of background, we're an American family of 6 living in Basel for just over 12 years, and we reached out to Simone because we wanted to do some redecoration in our living room, and honestly no one in our house has the gift of interior design, and so we thought really we needed some expertise. We interviewed a number of people and ultimately selected Simone because she clearly has a gift with regards to how she goes about home decoration. It's clearly a passion of hers, and I was really grateful to outsource the project to somebody who had giftedness that would result in me having a home and a surroundings that we could really be happy about. We originally just had her come to a consultation, but ultimately hired her to design 2 rooms in our home. And over the course of about a year of working together, I've been nothing short of blown away by the way that Simone took the time to get to know us as a family. What brings us joy? What do we like? What do we not like? And really took the time to design space that would make us really happy and at home, and not just what was going to work for her. The other thing I would say about working with Simone is that she's tireless. She leaves no rock unturned. She has connections all over the world, and she's extremely creative in her ideas, and at least for our home, really brought in a number of very personalized touches that are quite meaningful to us. And I wanted to share all of this because it was such a great experience working with her. And also just to say, I think in the beginning when we made the decision to hire her, we were thinking, oh, it would be great when this project is done because then we will have new furniture. But in reality, we're now in a place where when I sit in these rooms in my home, every single item that I'm surrounded with sparks joy. And I'm really grateful for the way that Simone brought that joy into our home, into our daily living. And if you're thinking about hiring Simone, my recommendation would be to ask yourself if you want more joy in your life. Thank you.